India si Malem gi leibak singa yengnabada traditional gi oiva knowledge marang kaina leiraba leibak ama oiva ngamni basida ahalaman singna thambiram bawa kalon sing amadi Indian knowledge system singa du mahiroi singna Ningthina Khangbagi Tangai Phadaba lei haina Manipur gi governor Ajay Kumar Bhalla na phongdokrai Manipuri da Indian Institute of Information Technology IT complex da anu bamakal ge teaching method sing season aduna mahiroi sing da takpi tambigadaba modern facility kya yauba additional classroom complex among us governor Ajay Kumar Bhalla na sangha ki bagalina Indian knowledge system IKS in higher education haiva hiramda numit dini sumna pangthokadaba national conference amasu hogdokhi IT Sanapati Manipur na sinduna pangthokiba thoramadu IT Sanapati Manipur ki Board of Governor ki Chairperson Dr. Sukhi Oran, IT Sanapati Manipur ki Director Professor Krishnan Vaskar Amadi, Director General of Police Prison CHR Dongal na Baroi Bamitungan Singone Sarugyake. Governor Ajay Kumar Bhalla na makha taraduna IT gumnaba Institute ama state asida thamliba se India ki atopa state ki adage Manipur da laktuna mahitam lei. State asigi mahiroi singnasu IT asida sangduna mahitam ba khaknatana atopa Lam Singda Satuna, Mahitamba Amade, Masak Naiba Muikia, Tainaduna, Makwegi, knowledge Hangat Hanba, Ngamgani. Masina Lebak Asigi Amato Wakalon Hangat and Basungamgani. Any Pilisingani Kuna Lakpag Iroina Nalinga Matamgi, knowledge system Singsu, mainstream education da, Tamnagani Haiki. Masidanatana Manipur Gumlaba, indigenous knowledge practice, Marang Kaina Labor Statusita, Mapam Kiadagi Maheroikia Laktuna Mahitamba Sisu, Makwegi, Ahenban knowledge Kia, Pangani Taze Haiki.
Because Manipur has a treasure mine of indigenous knowledge and practices. The state is renowned for its traditional weaving techniques, producing exquisite hand-woven fabrics that showcase the craftsmanship, artistic heritage of its people. Art of organic farming has been preserved for generations, ensuring sustainable agriculture and healthy food habits. Some of the things are being grown here which were to us seen as fruits, food coming from foreign countries only. Fishing practices in the Loktak Lake of Manipur reflect a very deep understanding of the local ecology and sustaining livelihoods, whereas it maintains environmental balance also. So I'm sure when you were studying here, you would have seen that. Lastly, I would like to congratulate all the students and organizers of this 2 days conference on Indian knowledge systems in higher education, which Professor Krishnan rightly described as a step towards Viksit Bharat 2047.